Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the lighting part over here. So I have assigned a few lights over here. As you can see over here, I have assigned 3 V-ray lights and one I have assigned a V-ray sun. Let's see how it looks like. You can just render and see. So let's render and see it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like uh, I can see this part. That's kind of I think we have assigned it as an aluminium over here. I'll go into the material over here and I'll just check it. It's copper. Chrome. Alright. Let's go down. Okay. You should always rename the materials. That would be easy for you. Alright. So I'll just go over here. I'll select this. I press Ctrl L. If you want to switch off the lights, you can press Ctrl L. I'll just go into this, go into the material, and if you want you can increase its reflectivity a bit. So I have already increased the subdivisions. So if required, we can increase the subdivisions of the materials, not all, but few of the materials I can increase the subdivisions. So for the floor also, for this I have increased already. Cabinet, okay, that's the cabinet. I can increase a bit of, I can give a bit of reflection over here, not much. Increases subdivisions. For the ground we have increased. Let's render and see. Let's go back to the camera view. Let's render and see how it looks like. Much better. So definitely you can assign something in the background also. You can use V-Ray environmental fog also if required. If you want to put that, we can go with that also. So I can just go over here. I can go into this gizmos. Just a sec. Atmospheric apparatus. I'll take a box gizmo over here. So how much light you want it to get affected, just make a gizmo. Go into this atmospheric apparatus and I'll go into this V-Ray environmental fog. I'll go into the setup over here. I'll go down. I can increase this fog distance. I can go over here, I can change the color of fog. So scatter bounces, I can increase it. Step size 2500, or we can go down, and over here I can just add a light over here. That's it. You can also off this one option, effect GI, that you can off it, but we'll first check it out how it looks like. Let's render and see. Can check that out. It's getting a lot of noise. We'll check out few of the settings over here. Uh, so what I can do over here is like, I'll go into this setup over here. I'll increase this value over here. Scatter bounce, I'll keep it as 2, and fog height, so you can increase the fog height. Subdivisions I can increase to 24. I'll keep this as 1000. Alright. So I'll again go back to perspective. Over here, I'll just select this light. Okay. Again, I can add one more light, or you can just duplicate that also. So let's just render again and see how it looks like. So now you can take a fog height, fog distance, subdivisions, Now add a gizmo. So you need to add a gizmo. Add Fox gizmo and add this light over here. So now you get this option, that's your effect GI, that can be adjusted. So let's again go back to the camera view and let's render this. Okay, might look better. I can again go into this rendering environment and I can again add, you can add it, or you can take one more gizmo. So you can again add one more Vera environmental fog. So you can just go down and now you can switch with this fog distance, scatter bounce, keep it as 2. So for the first one also I'll increase it to 2 over here. I'll go into the second one, subdivisions 32. Now let's render it and I'll go into this and I'll off this effect GI. Let's render and see. So let's see how it looks like. There's a lot of noise. So you can reduce this fog density. Fog height. Fog height will reduce it. For the second one, I'll keep it as 100 only. Subdivisions as 24. Let's render it. So definitely we'll be checking it out. If you want, we can add that. That's not a problem. Cadence map, light cache, this is all okay over here. I'll just go down, set to bucket, can increase this subdivisions, noise threshold 0.001, color mapping, exponential. Alright. Alright. Need to see first the render, how it looks like. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So let it render. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So we'll be definitely adding up some light passes. So let's check out this, how VRAY environmental fog looks like. If you want, we can add it. If it is not required, we can easily remove that. That's not a problem. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please do subscribe my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching this tutorial.